Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small business where I make jewelry, and in this channel I share how I make the jewelry, so you can do it yourself if you like. If not, you can always shop the jewelry that I make, and all my links are in the description box, or if you go on my YouTube channel, in the banner in the right corner you have all my Etsy shop and all my social media as well. So in this video I'm gonna make these cute daisy clips, and yeah, I think they're just so pretty, you know, in the summer especially. This is how they look from the side, this is how they look from the inside. So yeah, this is my new addition to the shop, so I thought I'm gonna show you how I make them. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, and obviously hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any videos I will upload in the future. The things that I'm going to be using today are two different color Miyuki beads. The size is 11/0. Then I have some fishing line. The size is 0.32 millimeter. Then I have a mat, obviously scissors, and then as you can see I have quite a few different clips, and all of them I got from Etsy. And as always, I'm going to link everything I use in the description box, and I will put all the sizes and everything in there as well. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take fishing line, and I'm going to take about 1 meter. So I'm going to start with putting the fishing line here through the side, and then just wrapping it around one more time. And then you want to make sure that both ends of the fishing line are the same length. Like so. And then you just tie up around the clip like so. And now, so if you have watched any of my videos where I make bracelets, for example this one, it's very similar to what we're going to be doing now. So I'm going to start off by taking one yellow bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And then I just drag it down. Like so. And now I'm going to take 4 beads, 4 yellow beads, and put 2 on each end of the fishing line. Like so. And let them just drop down. And now I'm taking 1 golden bead and I'm putting both ends of the fishing line through the golden bead, like so. Now I'll let all the beads to go down. This is how it looks now. Obviously it's not tight yet, but we will work on that in a minute. Now I take these 2 ends and I sort of like fold them over. This is how it looks now. And now I take 1 end of the fishing line and put it through two beads on one side. The other side of the fishing line, put through the other side 2 beads. And this is how it looks now. I know it looks a little bit messy, but we're gonna sort it out now. And then you just put the ends of the fishing line. And this is how it looks now. And now I'm going to take one yellow bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And just drag it down. Like so. And this is your first daisy done. How quick and easy was that? Now I'm gonna take one end of the fishing line and put it through right here. And you pull it. And now you do the same thing with the other side. You put it through the other side. And just pull it. And what we did now is just wrap. Make sure that the daisy stays on the clip. And here you can make sure that the fishing line goes into like the little teeth there. And now I'm going to take one yellow bead and start the process all over again. So put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. Drag it down. Like so. And now take 4 beads, 2 on each end of the fishing line. Like so. And now we take 1 golden bead and put both ends of the fishing line through. This is how it looks now. And we take these 2 ends and fold them over. So I take 1 end of the fishing line, put through 2 beads on one side, and take the other end of the fishing line and put through the other 2 beads. And just drag them down. And now I'm going to take 1 more yellow bead and put each end of the fishing line through. Like so. As you can see, I'm trying to keep it like tidy here as well. So this is how far we have got now. The principle now is the same. You just keep going until you reach the top bit, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to complete the clip until the tip and then show you how to complete this bit so it's like nice and tidy. bead, and now I'm going to show you how to do it on the very tip, so it's like nicely goes around it. Here I'm this far, so now I need to wrap the fishing line around, and I do it the same way. Just put each end of the fishing line through around the clip. And here you can see there's like a little end, so this is where the fishing line is gonna go. And now I'm gonna take the one bead, put each end of the fishing line through, like so, and just drag it down. And now I'm going to take 4 yellow beads and do the same as I did before. 2 beads on each end of the fishing line, like so. 1 golden bead on both ends. Let it go down. This is where we are now. And again, I fold it over. 1 end of the fishing line through, 2 beads on one side, and the other end of the fishing line through the other 2 beads on the other side. And now you can just pull the ends so it ties up. So now if we put the 1 bead here at the end, it would just go straight. But what we're going to do, we're going to take 1 yellow bead and pull on one end of the fishing line, like so. And then we're going to take this end of the fishing line with the bead, and we're just going to put it through this bead here. So we have this end of the fishing line with the extra bead, and we're just going to put this end through this bead, the first one here. And now when you pull it, looks like this, and it just, the daisy automatically goes like sideways, so you can see. And now when we wrap the fishing line around, and we just pull the ends nice and tight, this is how the tip is gonna look. And now we just do what we were doing before. We just keep making the daisies until we get to the end. I'm gonna go to the end, and then I will show you how I finish it up nicely. So I just finished making the last daisy. As you can see, she's like this. So what I'm gonna do now is just wrap this end of the fishing line through the side and through the middle, like so, and do the same with the other end. Like this. And now I'm gonna tie it up on top just one time. like so. And now I'm gonna take one end and put it on the back. So I got both the ends here on the back. And now I'm just gonna tie it up like 3 times, just so it's like very nice and tight, so the knot goes in the back. Do another time, and then one more. Also, if you want, you can obviously put super glue there as well. Just tie it very tight, and then I can cut off the loose ends. And this is it. This is the final result. I think it's super cute. Let me know what you think, and if you make any, also let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel to not miss out any other future videos, and like this video as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.